Today we are experimenting with physics, trying to create a stick explosion by weaving together jumbo craft sticks. When we weave the sticks together, we're storing energy, and as we store the energy, we create tension. And when we weave, depending on the length, we have either a small reaction or a large reaction. And we are going to experiment with different length chains to see what kind of reaction we can get. As you can see from our first stick explosion, it was small and didn't happen quite how we expected it to. And we learned a couple things from our first experiment, which is what science is all about, testing and experimenting and learning new things. We figured out it's a lot easier to weave the sticks on a soft surface, such as carpeting, than it is to weave on a hard surface. And we were able to keep our pattern without the sticks moving because we were able to dig under the sticks rather than push the sticks around. And we also decided when you get to a certain length, it definitely takes at least 2 sets of hands to make this work. Let's see what happens. And there you have it, our stick explosion.